Hi guys, Smeep here, coming at you one more time from the Game Throne. Significantly fatter than the last time you saw me, and it's a brand new Game Throne, which hopefully we'll be able to do a tour of once it's all set up and things are a little better. For those of you who watched the last video, my brother is still significantly unwell, so if you've got 5 minutes to go and say hello and drop him a comment wishing him well on his channel, which is the Yam Yam Man, I'll link it below. I'm sure that when he's out of hospital and able to read the comments, that he'll really appreciate the love that you've sent him. As far as this channel goes, this is just a video of things I've captured on dashcam whilst I've been driving. I'll put my hands up and say, you know, in some of these I'm the person to blame. I do try to drive safely where I can. I stick to the speed limits and I try to learn from my mistakes and try to undo other people's mistakes when I'm on the road. But there are some instances in the following clips you'll see where I was not behaving in the best interests of road safety. That being said, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. The muted audio, unfortunately, is a necessity. It's not to hide my swearing. Trust me, I've cussed like a sailor. But it's more because there's a lot of copyrighted music, which obviously, if I want to get this channel monetized, I can't get copyright strikes before it's monetized. So any support you can give me, and if you've got the 5 minutes to drop hello to my brother, just to tell him, you know, well wishes, because he is seriously unwell. Other than that, I ain't going to keep you here any longer. I'll catch you guys soon.